Hey guys, बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स वापस आए हैं तो टाइम ज़्यादा ज़ाहिर नहीं करूँगा, सीधा खोलने से शुरू करते हैं। ये क्रिस्टल डिसूजा के लिए, क्रिस्टल नॉक योरसेल्फ आउट। इन्हीं से गिफ्ट आया है, ये पटना से है। दिस इज़ फ्रॉम काम्या सिंह। या काम्या सिंह। लोड्स ऑफ लव, बॉर्न टू स्टैंड आउट। ये तुम्हारे लिए।
थैंक यू।
ये डेफिनेटली मेरे लिए। Magnetizing beauty. Thank you.
ब्यूटी।
11th May, the golden month of Tollywood industry, because the star was born. Oh, this is for my birthday. Put your right hand on your left shoulder, left hand on and give yourself a big hug. What do I tell you, Taka? You are sunshine. Words will be less if I start describing you. You are so sweet, humble, caring, loving, handsome, sexy. Sexy. One request, please be active on your Facebook page too. Crime, hug pictures in demand, so please post it soon. मतलब आप लोगों को वाकई लगता है ना कि हमारे पास और कुछ काम नहीं है कि हम एक दूसरे को बस हग करते रहते हैं,
फोटो खींचते रहते हैं।
और फोटो खींचते रहते हैं। बट अच्छा है, मतलब आप लोगों को ऐसा लगता है अगर we should live up to their expectations, you know. It's not nice to disappoint your fans. Tacker, it's me again. Your friendly stalker, and I think you know who it is, na? Alina, of course I know. You bombarded my page once majorly. I love you, want to meet you soon badly. Have you seen my VM of your journey? I think this interview is coming much after the fact that I've already posted. I really loved the VM. I showed it to you also, in fact. I don't know if you remember, we're sitting here.
Yeah.
It's a VM
Karan's
that's from
journey, yeah.
the entire journey. So I absolutely loved it. I love this chocolate also. Thank you very much.
And you're eating it very happily all by yourself. This gift is to me from Ananya Maladi. And this is from Ananya. Okay, she's given her Twitter handle, so I'm going to tweet back. I think this is the same thing that Karan was telling me about. This is a star in the sky has been named after you. So I think I have a star too.
Your fans are just copying my fans. Yeah.
Aww.
You know, it's okay, Swati. Don't worry about it. Yeah. We are the trendsetters.
So this is they've given my star database number and
Just check if we're next to each other. Have you made? We should put us next to each other. No?
they can get crying pictures from up.
हम दोनों साथ में देखे तो ऐसा होना चाहिए. अच्छा, oh yeah, right there.
Let's take a picture of them hugging. This is damn nice. This is very nice. You guys are really sweet. I mean, thank you so much. I have a star now in my name, and you know the fan page and the website that you all made. I cannot even thank all of you all enough. Thank you so much, Ananya, for this, and thank you all for giving us so much of love and keep giving it to us after the show also, because we're really gonna miss it otherwise.
I could use a lot of love here. I'm very needy like that.
Me too.
There's a lot of other stuff here. This is from Divya and Alina, and apparently Divya has made these sketches. They're pretty cool.
King of Tollywood.
That's me. That's me and my mom.
How cute.
That is me. This is at Sammy Sosa, a place that I really like. One of my friend's restaurants. That's me again. Very cute, yeah. Good stuff. Damn sweet. Thank you so much, Divya, for sketching this out and helping Alina. Really sweet. Chocolate is chocolate.
Yay.
This one's from Shruti Vamaraju from Australia.
I've got a sneaker and a chocolate.
You got sneakers? Show me.
Sneakers.
May I show me?
You sure?
You mean sneakers? Oh. Sneakers होते जो जूते होते हैं. It's okay.
I've got.
Yeah, okay, whatever. I've got a really cool magnet that says I love Sydney.
Sydney.
बड़ी प्यारी लड़की है यार. मुझे बहुत पसंद है.
Sydney is when boys boy's name was nice.
Happy birthday, Karan. Love Kamina.
Kamya.
It's a love Kam. Sorry.
You don't have to say your real name out loud.
Love Kamya. Suddenly I felt like my sister's calling me. It says happy birthday. That's right. मेरे कंधों पर हम सब खड़े हैं. What do you call that?
Christ.
Balancing the weight on my shoulders is what I meant to say. Happy birthday, Karan. Hope you have a memorable 27th. You're the luckiest guy in the world to have such amazing fans. I absolutely agree with that. And to be honest, you're so hot and sexy and so handsome.
Sexy is underlined and all.
Unreal, yeah. I don't know how I suddenly developed like a sex appeal, but I'm not complaining.
It's the beard.
Please visit Sydney. You'll definitely love it here with the sun and the beautiful beaches. I agree. As soon. We love you 2 bits. Love, love, love. Ruchika, Salonika, and Shruti. Salonika.
Salonika is very nice. Different.
That's a
name,
really
no?
sexy name, yeah. Salonika. I like that. P.S. Tell Crystal that she's become fat.
We love her too.
You love Ruchika? How sweet, yeah.
You're so mean. Read what's written, alright?
I just read it. You want me to embarrass you again? Okay. Please tell Crystal that she's become fat.
Okay.
Okay, you should tell them, okay, I get the point.
I said
Let us know when you get this card on Twitter and please give this diet to Crystal. One touch. What is it? I think it must be inside.
Do you want this mic on your head? I know what you can eat right now.
I think this is all 3 of them. Cute, yeah. I like all these things. Salonika. Still thinking in my head. I love Sydney. From Charu Narula from Gurgaon, Haryana.
There's a note on it.
It says, would love it if you wear it. I will definitely wear it. As much as I'm not a very what do you call this? Chunky jewelry. Chunk jewelry. Sort of guy. But क्योंकि आपने भेजा तो मैं एक बार तो definitely
भैया मेरे राखी के बंधन में
मुझे किसी की जरूरत नहीं. Damn cool, yeah. Never ever lose Crystal as a friend, Tacker. She's one of a kind.
He's very close to losing
And
one.
you'll never get a friend better than her. VO है तो you'll be alright. Oh, वो है.
Nice thing.
I'll be alright. I'll be alright. Hey Tacker. These are 2 of my edits. Love Kamya. Oh, she gave me a phone. Wish I were an iPhone, always with you, close to you, would work according to you, would have been an important part of your life, would always be in your pocket and would vibrate whenever you would like it.
Ooh, that's not written anywhere. The vibration part
the
I
last 2 lines are
scored.
mine.
What?
Coffee with Karan. The day I'll have a coffee with you would be a dream come true. Charu. Acha, this bracelet's from Charu, Arriba, and Bhavna. Dear Karan, cheers.
You know, whenever
to our
her
new
name
year.
comes up, we say it as Arriba.
Because it's very sexy.
It's very
Arriba.
nice. Arriba.
Cheers to a new year and another chance for us to meet you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
What calendar are you following? I think I have to update you. New Year को 6 महीनों के लिए. Happy New Year. It says Happy New Year. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Firecrackers.
This card belongs to someone who has overtaken my heart and now acts as my heart beats. बड़ी अच्छी drawing की है यार.
Nice heavy design there. no?
Peacock, I think. What makes a person a good actor? The answer seems to be quite obvious, talent. But one always admires an actor for who holds over his audience. I guess it is not only talent that attracts us to an actor; it's his personal charm as well. Thank you. That's really sweet of you to say. Yeah. No one except you can be so polite and lovely to the fans. This is because you are one of a kind. You're the first boy man. I'm a boy man. I am sending gifts to. Hope you like them. You better like it a lot. Hacked by your charmness, Charu Nirula. She's actually put a slash, boy or man. Take a pic.
Whatever you want for yourself.
Thank you so much, Charu. That's really sweet of you to say. I request you to see the gifts and especially tell me about the card which I made for you. Would love it to see expression, the reactions. Pardon if you don't like it. Sent with a lot of love. Are you all seeing this? Wow.
So nice.
All letters, yeah. I should read them all later. Later, I'll read the letter. There are two cards that I missed out. Best wishes, Pyare Tacker. All the best for your way, with lots of prayers. Ramesha, aka Rocking Doll, thank you.
Takaru.
Love you, Tacker. Q2, Beautu, Takaru.
Takaru.
Hello.
Karanu.
Belated happy birthday. Thank you. Takaru, my Q2, Beautu. Sure, I love you, Takaru. Ramsha. Thank you, Ramsha. Thank you guys for once again making me feel like birthday is still alive, even though we're like pretty much done in June. Thank you for sending so much love, a lot of gifts, and don't stop. Thank you.